Okay, my little bun is not in the shot, so I look bald, but that's okay. So last week I shared with you all my morning skincare routine. So today I'm going to be sharing my nighttime skincare routine. First and foremost, if I wear makeup, I always first take it off with this Bioderma water. I don't know why I was trouble pronouncing. Micellar water, whatever, they're water. It's incredible. I get the sensitive skin one, and I just take one of these little pads, and this one's a little pumped version, which is nice because you just push down and you get the stuff right there. So I use this even before I take a shower, and I just take all my makeup off and then I wash it. So after that, I like to use another type of makeup remover just for my eyes, for mascara. I normally use Pond's Cold Cream, but I ran out, so today I'm using their Real Makeup Remover by Benefit, and it does a really good job. Get it all off. I'll just put a small amount on my finger. So I feel like even if I don't get them all off, if I still have like a little bit of mascara left over, just putting that on makes it so much easier. So now I'm going to take a shower, and in the shower I will wash my face with the green tea enzyme powder that I showed you all last week. And then after that I'll show you what I do when I get out of the shower. Okay, so I am out of the shower, as you can see. Washed my face in the shower. So now, once a week, I like to use these Alpha Beta Peel Pads by Dr. Dennis Gross. And these are awesome for exfoliating. They contain alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, and beta hydroxy acid, BHA. So I think I made a blog post a while ago, going into specifics about what each of these do for you and how great they are for your skin. So yeah, so I use these once a week, normally like on a Sunday, and it comes with two little peel pads. First they're numbered, so you'll open up the first one, and it comes in a little square. And you basically just put it on all over. So after that, you're supposed to wait about 2 minutes for it to kind of absorb and dry. And I will say that you can get these in a mini pack. I think they come in 5 from Sephora, which is what I normally buy, and then you have them for a little over a month. I recently, for Christmas, my sister got me the big pack, which I've never gotten on my own, so I was nice Okay, another thing I like to do once a week, normally when I do the peel pad, is a lip exfoliator. I use the Sugar Lip Polish by Fresh, and it's super nice. So what you do is you just take a little bit of the lip polish and you go all over. You put on chapstick or lipstick and you get that weird line throughout the day. I feel like this really helps to prevent that. And if you accidentally eat some, it tastes really good. If you feel like you've gotten all over pretty good, just get a damp towel and wipe it off. All right. So now I feel like it's been 2-ish minutes or so. I will go ahead and do the second little peel pad. And this one is anti-aging neutralizer. So you go ahead and just do the same exact thing. So after that, I like to keep it very simple because I feel like my skin kind of went through a lot there. So if I'm targeting any breakouts or anything of the sort, I will kind of take a break on that for the night. And I won't use any sort of products specifically for that until the following night. So what I will normally do after using these is I'll put on plant-based oil all over, and I just feel like it really absorbs it and makes me skin happy. So I'll go ahead and do that. And this one's plant-based squalling by The Ordinary. Again, it comes with this super cool dropper. Another thing is that this plant-based oil is super good for hair. I think hair growth. So I like to put it over my eyebrows. Once that's done, I give it some time to soak in and dry, or not dry, but just absorb into my skin. Sometimes I'll just do the oil to keep it very simple. Other times I'll add a moisturizer on top of it. I honestly forgot if you're supposed to use oil before like a water-based moisturizer or vice versa. I'm gonna look it up, but to be honest, I just love how the oil feels directly on my skin after those peel pads. So I do that first. Let me see. Let me do a quick Google search because I'm very curious now. I think you're supposed to put oil on top of the moisturizer, but oh well. So I like Summer Friday's Jet Lag Mask. I'll use this sporadically throughout the week at night. It feels very nice and it has a really good scent to it. I also like Pond's Dry Skin Cream. I showed you all this in the last video, I believe. and the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. This one is awesome, and you can really use this all over. It's great for sensitive skin as well. And I really like to use this for my hands, for my feet, and even for my face. So it's great. But I am going to use the jet lag mask. Even though I guess I was supposed to do it first, but I still think it works. And this mask is really good for under eyes as well. And you don't have to rinse it off or anything. Because who likes the part of taking off the mask? It's the worst part. Okay, so after that, nice and moisturized. The last thing for me to do is my lips. So I love this Vaseline lip therapy. I use it religiously. I even will use it during the day. And I'll only put this on, and I get asked all the time, oh, what kind of lipstick are you wearing, or chapstick? Because it has a nice rosy tint to it. And it's super hydrating. Okay, so gang, that is all. I'm nice and moisturized and ready for bed. I will most likely do another video sharing with you all what I do for my breakouts. Since these peel pads, I don't like to do anything extra as far as breakouts go. I keep it pretty simple all these nights, and yeah, so I hope you all like this or it helps someone out there.